What's the meaning of ambulance chaser? Ambulance chaser. Ambulance chaser. Ambulance chaser. Ambulance chaser. Ambulance chaser.
The term ambulance chaser is used to describe a lawyer or attorney who seeks out potential clients who have recently been in accidents or suffered injuries. They are often criticized for being overly aggressive and unethical in their tactics, as they may contact the injured person or their family members shortly after the incident to offer their legal services. The term originated from the idea that these lawyers would follow ambulances to find their clients. Overall, the term has a negative connotation and implies a lack of professionalism in the legal field.